Adventure Belle! Hi, Adventure fans. Today we're doing my first Shoppies doll.
I think they're super cute. I like these cute little
And this
things.
one is Donatina.
Donatina.
I've been watching videos that have Shoppy dolls. So I'm really wanting Shoppy dolls now.
What?
I like Shoppy dolls.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
For real?
So
Seriously?
yeah.
Well, this is mine,
No,
so...
it's mine.
No, that's mine.
I really like her though.
But she's mine,
But
so...
she's really cute.
Mine.
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 So we picked the Donatina Donut Delight set because, as tiny as Shopkins are,
There are many
Shopkins! We totally freaked out when we saw them. Okay, so we're going to take a quick minute to open up this set.
Yeah.
And we will be
I'm excited about Shoppy dolls. Okay, we're back from unopening.
Unboxing.
Unopening.
Unopening? Would that be the same as closing?
I don't know. But look at, she has a donut bracelet. Is that donut?
She's so cute. She's so seriously cute.
And look at watch.
Her shoes come off.
She has a white stocking thingy.
Show her shoes. Oh my goodness, this
They're
girl
donuts.
with her donuts. She has donut high heels. How cute is that?
We might have to buy more, Mom.
I think we might. These guys are just too cute. Can you show off her hair? Because she has donut hair. Isn't that cute?
Donut hair.
Donut hair.
And there's like a donut box.
Yep, a little donut box headband.
And look at, you can take off the skirt if you want to.
Oh my goodness.
To make her swim, maybe.
Ooh, that would be fun. She could go swimming.
And she has brown eyes like me.
Yay, that's cool.
Mhm.
She came with a little stand. It doesn't work too well on our quilt,
Yeah.
but I'm sure if we were on a table, that it would look awesome.
And she comes with this awesome handbag.
It's a little donut too. Cute.
And it's alive. So like maybe you could like be like she can hold it like on on her shoulder maybe.
Easy there, crazy.
And like maybe like this, or you could like bring it all the way up like like this, or no, it falls.
But it's awesome.
So it's really cute actually. Here's a little brush. It's even a donut too. And it has arms. And it has a
Brush?
real hole.
The brush has arms.
Yeah. Hey.
Okay. So we'll try
She's
really.
not going to do it.
Please stand, our little donut girl.
Donatina.
Donatina. Excuse me.
And
Stand up. You
okay,
little-
ready? Drop. Let her go.
Here. Ha! Got it.
That's because she's leaning on her bun.
That does not matter.
I want to brush her hair though.
Wait, no, her hair's in a bun.
But I'm going to brush
in
these
a
little
donut.
curlies.
You're gonna brush her little curlies?
On her bangs. Her bangs. And it's all pink. Light pink and dark pink. Did you call it?
Delightful.
Now make them extra straight. And I like this brush a lot. So maybe you could store this brush actually. Look at the brush.
Perfect.
And she has this little donut. I love this actually. And there's a hole in it.
There's a hole in the donut purse.
Yes.
I hope she doesn't put money in there. It would fall right out the donut hole.
No, it wouldn't. It would just go in a circle.
Yuck, 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 yuck.
Well, woo! Look at, she threw it in the air. I
Well,
really
can we
like
see
her.
the donut cart? I'm
Yeah.
dying to see those little mini donuts.
Here, Donatina, do you want to drive it? Yes, please. Here.
Make sure-
Get in the purse!
Run away. Where did we go?
It's under my chair.
Oh, there it is. Yeesh, runaway donut purse.
Give me that purse! Give me that purse!
Here you go.
Bad purse.
Bad purse.
You'll just be sit down right there.
Perfect.
And she can drive her cart.
The wheels on the cart actually roll, which
I
is
know.
super nice.
Dum da da dum 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 dum. Okay. What would you like to see, Madame?
I want to take a look at all those cute little donuts you have for sale.
Of course. So we have...
Oh, we need to know their names, don't we?
Dun, dun, dun,
Let's
says
see.
Donatina.
Who is our first little friend?
Our first little friend is this little cute donut that's pink frosted with little sprinkles and with a zigzag of frosting, like whoop, whoop.
That is Daisy Donut.
And she has this yumminess.
Isn't she the cutest?
She's delicious.
So cute.
Put her back up on the shelf. Here, let me help you, Donatina. Doop. And then we have this cutie.
That is Rolly Donut. Cute. And those adorable, super tiny mini donuts don't have names, which means we
We can name them. Look at this pink donut. What should we name her?
Strawberry Puff?
Strawberry Puff it is. She smells delicious, like strawberries. And then, how about Blueberry Puff?
I like it. Oh my gosh, I love these mini donuts.
And this one's a plainer.
That one I think wants to be a bagel. It's like,
Yeah.
I'm a donut, but I'd like to be a bagel, maybe. But you're a donut, but maybe I want to be a bagel though. But you're a donut though. Oh, but maybe I can pretend to be a bagel sometimes. I guess that's okay.
Now, which do we name her?
Bagel.
Bagel! Oh no! Oh no! Stop!
Oh no! Bagel down! Bagel down! I got you, Bagel! Poor Bagel!
Bagel! Okay.
So Bagel just met the floor.
Okay, I already know this one's name.
What are you gonna name that one?
Jelly.
Oh, I like it.
Because this one looks like that it has jelly in it with white frosting.
So can we compare the size of?
I
Whoa.
fell.
Oh, Tina. Oh. Can we compare one of the regular size Shopkins to this little mini one?
Okay.
I'm curious. Because I've always considered the Shopkins to be pretty mini, but these minis are blowing my socks off. Let's see.
With bagel.
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 It's so tiny. Ah, I love them.
It's almost as big as her hole.
It is. Interesting. I wonder if these little minis are made from donut holes. Could be. You never know.
What are you doing to my hair?
I'm turning it into a donut. I have donuts on the brain. Aw. Well, I super love this set. Really? What? Donatina, please don't have the camera. Donatina, we can't see anything but your belly button when you do that, though.
She has no belly button on.
Maybe she does. You don't know. Okay.
Please like and subscribe and tell us which donut is your favorite. And follow us on a little bit on Facebook, right? I'm starting on Facebook.
Follow us on Facebook or
Twitter. That's all I
Um,
can remember.
well, how about we try to do it in order? First, say thank you for visiting Adventure Belle.
Thank you for visiting Adventure Belle. Please like, comment, or subscribe. And tell us which donut is your favorite. And bye, mooches for donuts and you guys.